Hello, hello, hello. What's going on, Team Bull? What's up, DODers? How we all doing? Good morning. Top of the morning. Top of the AM, everybody. How's everyone's AM been so far? What up, Turnstile, Dr. Ajami, Stanley, Lynn, Madeline? Jalapeno business. G-Man, what's going on? Let's go. Let's freaking go. All right. What's good, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are live in action for a beautiful trading day, hopefully. That's what we're hoping for. So DoubleTree links. I've been trying to get on every day at like 7 Mountain Time. Trying to get on every day this early. Sometimes a little earlier than others, but trying to be on like 30 minutes early every single day. Doing my best. Get to spend time with y'all. That's a win, right? Just get to trade stocks and hang with my friends. I mean, who's going to complain about that? Who's complaining about that? Not me. Not me. Started off the week, with a nice dub yesterday. We will always take that. It's a big old dub. We will always take that. It's time for DOD, baby. That's right. You're damn right it is. We have FOMC tomorrow, so have to take into account that we could see some slower price action today. Will we for sure? I don't know. I never know where we're going to go. We just play the probabilities. There. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Father's here. What's up, dog? What's up, Tyler? You ready for Mike next November? It's way too far away, bro. They did us dirty telling us about that concert a year in advance. They did us so dirty with that. How am I supposed to wait a year? How am I supposed to wait an entire year for that show? It's messed up. We need the VIP. Yeah, I have one of my boys. So the same guy who got me, I'll show you. The same guy who got me the Jokic jersey that's signed on the floor, then my signed Kobe jersey right here, number 8. He's an athlete in music artist management. So like he has He's homies with like Post Malone and Morgan Wallen every time they hang out. So I was going to see, obviously I didn't say nothing. I was going to see if he could get backstage passes for Mike at Red Rocks because he just like knows everybody. He was going to get me backstage to Morgan Wallen, but they had an issue at the concert before, and then that changed. But yeah, Tyler, obviously, if we get that, I guess if you get that backstage for Mike would be crazy. We're getting it. I'm gonna do my best. I think it's very highly probable, but we'll see. Already broke. You're the man. I love you too. And I love when we get downside action. That's what we're looking for today. Give us some nice movement to the downside. I will do anything for a nice downtrend day. Anything at all. Anything and everything for us to get a nice move to the downside. Oh, shit. Do you trade penny stocks? I don't trade penny stocks. $1,000 away from passing your eval. Very nice. Very nice. It's good. Am I rich or wealthy? Depends on what category you're asking in. What defines what? You know what I care most about is I'm very wealthy in my health, and my family, and my fitness, and my values. I'm very happy. I get to live for a living. I'm wealthy in the life that I live. I own my time. I didn't end up watching the full Chargers game. I turned it off. Dan went to overtime. Oh, shit. I didn't even realize that. Just now realized that the Chargers game went to overtime. That's crazy. Big Papa, FOMC day is not as easy to pass evals as like CPI or NFP. I mean, whenever you get volatility, you can, but there's no real like data strategy to doing it. Versus like if you have CPI data, then you can typically get a pretty nice move and pass an eval very quick. If it's 1 day pass. If it's not 1 day pass, it won't work. Because you'll mess up your consistency with some huge win. Your CPI is the way if you're looking to pass some accounts. If you're looking to pass some accounts, CPI is the way. Got some crazy good deals right now, too. What the heck? All right, we tried to do the... We tried to do the TikTok on TradingView again, so we'll see. It just restricted it. So if appeal doesn't go through, then I'm going to have to go back. I'm going to have to restart the live and go to my TOS charts. Very annoying. Very annoying, but whatever. It's fine. That's why we started early. It's weird with TradingView sometimes. Because the TradingView software it's weird with. Bro, puking at the table was wild. The low that I knew people were gonna see that big. Oh, Jdun. That's messed up. Yeah, we got some good deals still. Code Jdun will get you a nice discount on Apex. It's the final day for that $84 all in. And Tradeify's 1 day pass, 40% off, or not one day pass, excuse me. Daily payouts, 40% off. And that ends today as well, $95 all in. Yep, final day of that sale is today. Used your code this morning. Appreciate you, DOD. Let's go. I appreciate you. More than you know. More than y'all know. The Meat Master. Y'all are crazy with that. The Meat Master is back in business today, baby. What's up, dog? Ooh. Woo. What's up, Grizzly Gobbler? Thank you all. Oof. All right. Let's find some dubs. Let's find some dubs today. All right. We may have to restart the TikTok. We'll know here in about 2 or 3 minutes. Do I sports bet? No, I'm awful at sports betting. So bad. I don't gamble where I don't have an edge. I don't gamble where I don't have an edge. And with sports betting, I seem to never have an edge, so I won't do it. Just not worth it's not worth my time. I'd rather just watch the sport and enjoy the game versus bet my money and get cooked. She going go. I said, baby, you should know that's what I want. Oh, man, I am ready for the rest of the week. Very much so. Man, y'all are so kind using the code Jdun. Static Blends, thank you. Features with Sam, thank you. Hopefully you guys have had a good experience with these props using code Jdun, choosing DOD, trading smart, trading safe. That's my ultimate goal for you. All right, we got 2 more minutes. I'm going to end this. I'm going to restart this live if it doesn't update. Been listening. I'm going to go back live right away. Oh, yeah. Like, it'll take me literally 2 minutes. All right, team. Well, we got 10 minutes until game time starts. Got 10 minutes till we enter the big leagues of New York Market Open. I'm excited to get back in the gym today. I didn't go yesterday. I was super, super sore from skiing. We hit it hard for like 4 days in a row. Could have Ironman quads. Freaking Ironman. Stay with me. The next day or two, I'm going to try to get these Tradeifys funded too. We do have the glasses on today as well, everybody. We do have the glasses on today. I don't need the glasses. Are you kidding me? My left eye is legally blind. It's like 260 over 20. It's horrible. I have a lazy eye. Like you wouldn't notice it by looking at it, but it definitely doesn't work. I got a lazy eye. I had to wear I had to wear a patch as a kid to try to strengthen it. It was really bad. We're giving this TikTok 4 more minutes to finish this appeal deal. And if it goes through, we'll keep the same trading view on. If it doesn't, I'm just going to restart the live quick and I'm just going to change the charts. Easy either way. I'm also live on YouTube as well as inside Team Bull. So the Team Bull stream is paid. It's through Zoom and there's 0 lag every single day. So when I call up my trades, it's real time right there. There's a 4 to 6 second delay on both TikTok and YouTube. So if you'd like to tap into the YouTube stream, my username is Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades. And for everyone on the YouTube, I appreciate y'all being here. We're growing every day. We got an awesome community. It's very lax. Yep, it's time, Brando. Let's get it. Boom! Let's go. It approved the appeal. So that means we get to stay on. Let's get it, y'all. Hey, real quick, before we get started, we got 7 minutes till open. I appreciate y'all if you're on YouTube hitting that thumbs up. We have like almost 400 people in here and growing. Yeah, we only have 50 likes. How is that possible? I know y'all want to choose DOD. I know y'all want to make some money today. So if you're ready to follow your plan, make some money, and rock with our #1 live trading stream in the world, hit that thumbs up button, baby. Let's get to 150. 150. I know y'all got it in you. I know we got some winners in the crowd today. I know we do. We did yesterday. We did the day before. We do most days. And if you're on TikTok, I appreciate y'all hitting that, tapping that phone over and over, hitting that like button. See if we can get 10K likes off the rip. I know y'all got it in you. Tap that. Get those money-making fingers moving. Just joined Tradeify yesterday with the only code, Jdun. Let's go, Peter. My boy. All right, TBT. What are we getting pre-market? Tesla weak. Tesla was weak all day yesterday. We got AMD also semi-weak after a gap up and sell off. NVIDIA also, same deal. Gap up, sell off. NASDAQ. I'm going to turn into from Jdun to J NASDaddy today. J NASDAQ. That's what they call me. It's the name. Don't wear it out. That's the name. At least that's what they tell me. Thought your name was Meat Master. Well, I guess some people like to say that too. I wonder if... Let's see if I have a phone charger in here for my other phone. FedEx. Oh, yes. Perfect. All right, I got to plug this in 1 second. I added you a few times, Greg. You got to accept, my boy. There we go. It is a good day to be disciplined AF, everybody. It's a good day to choose DOD. I mean, guys, what do we have? 21 days left till New Year's? If you don't start your process of getting your life and your discipline together right now, you are going to have the same 2026 as you did 2025. Nothing is going to change. You're going to fail your New Year's resolution. You're going to go into the trading year with the same issues inside your trading. You're going to make the same mistakes. And nothing's going to change. You're not going to all of a sudden become the world's most disciplined trader. You're not going to work like that. So instead, you start making good choices now. You start making consistent decisions in your trading now. And you start your New Year's resolution today, right? You make today day one. I mean, December 1st should have been day one. November 1st should have been day one. But if you haven't been doing that, then today's got to be day one.
Good morning.
What's up, man? How's it going?
All good. You?
Super good. Living, vibing, and living.
Possible potential point. Could be 568. 25568 potential bounce point. Watching this guy.
Yep, we got 2 minutes to open, y'all. Trade smart, trade safe. Should have some coffee. Whenever I get my coffee, that's when the trades start rattling off. That's when we start winning. Literally every time I drink the coffee, I go from Jdun to Paydun. Literally every time. From Jdun to Paydun. Coffee every day turns me into pay done. Just happens like that. I don't make the rules. It just does. That and when I have the candle lit. We got the glasses on today. Got the candle lit. Jeans in the way with the coffee. It's about to go down. Let's do it, Grizzly. What do you have on watch today?
Well, we hit my demand off the previous 5-minute candle, which is not something I wanted. I wanted it to wait, so kind of invalidated that for me.
670 is the other level I have.
We need Team Bowl ski trip.
We do, man.
ASAP. Team Bowl ski trip. But no beginners.
So I can't come.
For me,
They gotta do it.
Well, you guys will have your own lodge. You'll have your own.
Can I just ride a snowmobile there?
You can we'll have a beginner mountain. And then we'll also have the intermediate to advanced folks.
I think I got to touch.
It invalidated that bounce. I'm glad that it confirmed before the open. We can get in the. Do it, Coco. I'm down.
Ugh. It's almost game time. We got 14 minutes till our first 15 minutes is in, and that's when I start trading. For anyone new.
I don't think I've ever rode a snowmobile.
No, I'd be down. I'd never rode one either.
We just drive ATVs and side by sides here, you know.
Testing Enkilons. Enkilon guys.
Oh.
Testing Enkilons based on this level 568. My entry was 75. Stop loss is 55.
Greg tried the lungs. Okay. No, it's just fast. I was like, oh, 1 minute in. All right. So this is where we're going today. No trades for me yet, though, guys. I don't trade the first 15 minutes. I just kind of wait. My win rate sucks the first 15, so stresses me out, and I don't have any systematic edge. Especially in the first 5 minutes. I will be live for FOMC tomorrow. Yep. Hope it nukes for him. Well, I will not be a part of the nuke, but I hope it nukes for him. I will not be a part of the explosion. I appreciate y'all being here, everyone. As a reminder, if you're on TikTok, I'm also live on YouTube as well. You can go to Jdun Trades on YouTube. Greg's trimming those longs up here at 600. I have a new video coming out today about why I still drive the humble Honda, too. You guys got to tap in. It's 7 minutes long, and I know you guys will get a lot of value from it. Goes into my story and how I came from being a broke kid in debt driving a Honda to where we are now. Definitely recommend you watch if you're looking to make a change for 2026. That'll be out. That'll be out at It would be out at likely 1 p.m. Eastern time. Maybe even a little earlier. I might drop it a little earlier. May drop it a tad bit earlier.
It's bouncing again.
Push it for him. Hope it pushes for you, my boy.
I already was to call.
Oh.
Break even, so I trained once, then stop me out, break even. It's okay. Small green trade. But it's working again. Was just a retest. Stop me out. She's gonna come hard now.
Now she's gonna pom.
Yeah, so this is a strong level. Just retested.
The sky was so pretty this morning in Colorado. It's like orange. It's very pretty. Very, very, very pretty. It was like a nice downtrend day. Very pretty. Let's see. I'm going to mark out my... Let's mark that out. Pre-market high. Pre-market low. I was literally right around the open. Right around the open. Okay. All right. Sunrise went crazy. Past 2 evals with that long. Very nice. Very nice, my friend. Very nice. I got my Guru water. My Mountain Valley. Feeling good. We're feeling real good. I'm going to get a crazy chest pump today. The craziest chest pump.
If you are still on this long, keep it tight. Keep it tight. I was to call, break even, but if you are still in, keep it tight. So 10, your position.
Don't.
I'm watching now 670, okay? 10 seconds. So if you're on these loans, be careful with this level. 670.
Where's my...
Just making money with those loans. Just making money.
That went.
What do you mean?
Peptides are good. I think I feel nice. I mean, I live so healthy that I'm not noticing a massive difference. But you know what I have noticed? My sleep on the Samora one's been really good. My sleep's been crazy good. That I have noticed. It's funny. All the internet warriors were like, you're on peptides. That means you're on testosterone, which means you're not natty. I was like, you're literally an idiot. Do you not know what a peptide is? There's a very large difference between TRT. TRT is fine as people get older, in my opinion, but people think that peptides are tren. Not quite. All right, we got 6 more minutes until until 15 minutes is up. So I'm just waiting, trading smart, trading safe, staying patient, and choosing DOD. We're choosing DOD, choosing discipline over dopamine every single day. Every morning I wake up and I choose DOD in my trading. It's been my key to staying alive for 9 years, going on 10 years of trading. Everyone wants the fast wins, but DOD is what keeps you alive long term. Those longs ended up paying, my boy.
But it's making money with those. That's not great for me, but I know some people are doing it.
Killing it. Nice job, my boy. I don't really love that volume on the last 5-minute candle, but the actual candlestick itself looks decent. What's going on, Grizzly Glock? How you doing? Mr. Grizzly?
What's up, Jdun?
How you been? How you doing, man?
Yeah, just went
What are you looking for?
Brandon a little.
I love trolling Brandon.
Everyone always thinks Brandon's so innocent, you know, fuck we mess with him, but they don't see the group chat.
Oh, no.
Nope, not at all.
They don't get it. Bro's far from innocent. He's sneaky. Sneaky little snake. Hey, chill. I'm going to find you a trade so I can buy you guys dog treats. Just relax. I got you. I got you. So the difference between the Apex accounts, between static and full, are your drawdown is static. It's not intraday trailing. So if you don't like the intraday trailing drawdown, you can choose a static account. Today is the final day of Apex's sale too. All of their accounts are $84 all in. So you can use code Jdun for a $78 eval and then a $6 PA fee. Yep. This is the final day of that sale. Appreciate y'all being here and using DOD in your trading every day. Telling y'all, I've seen so many lives changed, so many DMs of people changing their trading around using DOD. Like literally so many. PA fees only once. Just passed my first Apex eval. Used code Jdun. Let's go. Hey, YouTube chat. How many of you in the chat make consistent money from Jdun or DOD? I'm new here, but he seems like he's pretty accurate. How many of y'all have made progress or made any sort of consistent money in your trading? Bettered your trading? YouTube chat, TikTok chat. If you've made consistent progress in your trading, let them know. Or found knowledge. Knowledge is great too. That's awesome. So much love from y'all. That's awesome. Guess what? We're just getting started too. We're just getting started. No trades yet. No trades yet. We just got our first 15 minutes in. So now we start going to battle. Now we full port. Well, I'm kidding. That's not what we do. I'm not like, all right, guys, 15 minutes in, time for longs. No, it's not how we rock here. Yep, first 15 minutes is in, and it's time to full port. Game time. I might just need to ask Grandma, get her professional opinion. Oh, trading smart, trading safe, and staying patient, everybody. That's the DOD way. It's a little boring sometimes, but the more boring that you can make your trading, the more exciting your life is going to become from what trading does for you. Does that make sense? If you can sustain having boring trading, you will live a very exciting life if you choose to outside of trading from the results and the profits that you get. But you don't get to have that exciting life if you're consistently choosing dopamine over discipline and blowing trading accounts and blowing up all the progress that you make. You feel me? It's just the way it goes. Just the way it is. If we get this close, a strong candle 5-minute close here, I'd like to see higher volume. I don't think we're going to get it, but I'd look for a short entry with stops above that wick high. I suggest everyone go short because I am long. Bro's like, I'll take one for the team. I'll go long so everyone else can make money on shorts. That goes crazy. Yeah, we do have data today. We have jolts, which sometimes you will get a decent move off jolts. Sometimes you'll get a decent move. Not always, but sometimes for sure. Yo, guys, as a reminder, I'm dropping a new YouTube video today on the same channel I'm live on right now, Jdun Trades. Breaking down my journey from being unprofitable and in debt to where we are today, and how we rocked with the humble Honda all the way through. So if you guys want full screen sharing, you're on TikTok, you can always go over to YouTube, Jdun Trades. We have a great community. We're growing every day. And based on the stats, people stay longer. It's more focused. I love our TikTok team, but YouTube's the final boss of the free streams. We're growing every day too. from where we started like 4 months ago. Even if you're on YouTube, make sure you guys click that bell icon and keep those notifications on so you don't miss any lives. Click where the bell is by my name, press all. Congratulations, you don't miss any lives or any trades. I just want a nice clean trend day. Is that too much to ask for? One nice clean trend day. A trend day, y'all are ridiculous. No trades for me yet, Team Bull. Just trading smart, trading safe, staying patient. SPY, actually, you know what? SPY is having an orb move.
I'm gonna wait till after 10 a.m. data before I take anything.
Yeah, 9 more minutes.
Yeah, it looks like it is. It's job openings, but it's delayed reports, so I'm not sure what to expect.
Let's see here. Is that Mr. Gene? Hello. What's up, bro? How you doing? Thank you. Thank you, sir. Uh-oh, coffee's here. Y'all know what that means. Y'all know what that means. Who are we bringing out to play? We're bringing Pay Done out to play. That's who we're bringing out. Team Bull. Pay Done has entered the chat. We got my coffee. I stopped drinking coffee on an empty stomach, though. I was doing some research about how it raises cortisol. And I was like, well, I was like, as much as I choose DOD, trading still raises cortisol in of itself. So I'm really trying to keep it chill. All right, let's see how this. We're not getting any sort of volume confirmation. Like, we're getting some decent, not even decent, but potential decent close below here, but no VPA. Yeah, I also don't drink coffee the first until at least 60 minutes after waking up. You gotta let your adenosine receptors Normalize. I can't short this candle. I can't long it. I mean, look at this. We're literally right where we open the day. We have indecision both ways. This is where you choose DOD. I know it's very tempting to want to rip trades and to want to press buy, but unless you have an A+ setup, it's not the right move long term. We got the close above on SPY for this orb. We don't have the volume I want, but it's not bad per se. It's not extremely low. It's relatively high. 684. So let's see what ES looks like over here. 1015. FOMC week can be a little slower too. We have data in 3 minutes as well, guys. We have data in 3 minutes.
And that's what I'm waiting.
Yep.
Looking for the data.
3 minutes, everybody.
You hear me well?
Oh, yeah. We have JOLTS data. The NASDAQ is just, oh shit, Tesla's having itself a day. I just looked over and I seen a big old green Hulk candle. $440, $430. Yep, we have JOLTS in 2 minutes. Oof. Dos minutos. Yo, TikTok too. The TikTok's been weird with me showing trading view. It works today, but it hasn't been working. So if you want full access to all my levels, my full screen share, and everything else, you can go over to YouTube, Jdun Trades on YouTube. Live there too. We're growing it every day. Appreciate y'all being here and hitting that follow button regardless. Appreciate y'all being on YouTube, hitting that subscribe button. Got a new video coming out today. I hope that each and every one of you guys watching get value from. We got 30 seconds till data, speaking of which. 30 seconds.
Data's out of the way now.
Yep.
For a trend.
You trading this morning, Gene?
This morning,
Yeah.
I haven't taken a trade yet.
You know, you called it a winner in Asia last night, right?
Yeah, I did.
Yep. Gene called out a winner in Asia last night. As a reminder, Team Bull, Gene and Jen, for the most part, trade Asia every day, exclusively inside Team Bull.
You're not trading with us too.
And Green Eyes was on last night. He'll be on occasion as well. So if you can't trade New York, it's an exclusive benefit of being a part of Team Bull, trade in Asia. Getting great trades in the evening time. Afternoon, evening. What other communities offering that? Nobody. That's who.
Anyone in the trade?
Nope.
I'm gonna try some shorts here on MNQ, everyone. It's out to above the 15-minute range.
Grizzly in the shorts, everybody.
3.
Grizzly in the shorts.
It hits it. It's okay. I like the downside now. With volume.
53. 53 is a stop.
MNQ.
All right, my boy.
If it hits it, I'll just
It's the market's fault. It's FOMC's fault. Kidding. What was your entry up there? Like 635 or something?
right here we're at my entry now.
Oh.
31.
When it comes to hygiene, I really got to use the restroom.
Six 54.
Hello, everybody.
Hit that, I'll be out. Wow, got it. That quickly. So we're pumping off bad report for job openings.
Okay, guys, I'm watching this level here, 620. 670, I'm sorry.
That's good for the rate cuts. I like shorts here. I know the volume's getting higher on this candle, but what's this sell off? This wicked up enough to get me out of the trade.
What's up, dog?
What up?
Oh shit, that just got swept up. Damn, I walk away and that just gets. What the hell happened? Damn, I walk away for 2 seconds and we just sweep up 40 points, huh?
Enough to stop me up and it's still right back up.
Yeah, I don't see anything that I love right now. No closes above the 15-minute high or low. No closes above pre-market high or low. No break and retest. So I'm just waiting.
Look, I opened that window right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
Over
Let's
the
see that.
kitchen.
Gene opened the window and there was just a little deer looking at him. Says, hello. Bambi said hello.
Maybe that's a short signal.
Looking for another entry here, everyone. Took me 3 tries to get the best trade course yesterday. Better of the 3 at least.
Deer liver. Yep. I got some venison in my fridge, so good. Maybe. Hey, Gene, will you come take over the stream real quick one more time?
It's okay, bro.
Putting a cushion, guys. A cushion. Okay. And 3622. Stop loss is 42.
Let's go. All right. Sorry, I had to take that phone call. right, everybody, let's go. We're back. What you want? No trades for me yet, guys. No trades for Mr. Jdun trades. My name is Jdun Waits today. Dude, why do people keep calling me? Hello? What? Yeah, might have the wrong number. All right, see you, man. Discipline over dopamine. Guy's probably like, I call the wrong number and he tells me DOD. It's like, who the hell is this guy? Maybe we just changed Mike's life. I don't know. Why do people keep calling me? I'm gonna say God bless. DOD. Hey, that's nice job, Nigel. Kept it small and reasonable. This guy told me DOD. I since quit my scammer job, picked up trading, and turned my whole life around. I left the call center and learned how to trade with Jdun. Said, bro, has no idea. No.
I'm watching. One green, one red trade, so have a chance for another one.
I have no trades right now. No trades I'm even watching. As a reminder, guys, today is the final sale for Tradeify's daily payouts, 40% off on the select accounts. You can use code JDUN. Get yourself an account. Get yourself up to 5 accounts. That you shouldn't, if you struggle with one, you shouldn't be trading 5, just for the record. I always like to make that disclaimer out there. You can use code JDUN for 40% off. Select accounts. Get daily payouts after 3 days in eval. It's in the pinned comment on YouTube. Final day of 40% off. It's also the final day of Apex's. Apex is 60% off on the already discounted accounts. So if you want to trade futures with me, you can use code JDON on both those. Alpha futures, it works as well, 10% and funded next. You can use code JDON for 10% off as well. I'm going to be making a YouTube video on my other channel too, the Team Bull Trading channel, breaking down their new accounts as well. A lot of you guys have asked for that. So you guys want to know how you can use my strategy to pass and how you can use DOD and VPA to get yourself daily payouts and what that actually means with those accounts. I love Tradeivate. Yeah. I think it's 100 times better than Project X.
everyone. If I get stopped out, it's gonna be done for the day. If I can,
Well, people that are haters of prop firms and funded accounts, they don't understand the model, Bird, man. Can't hate them for not understanding the model. Like, yeah, these companies make money off traders failing, but what you fail to understand is that they reward the traders who do well, who choose DOD. It's not like there's some statistic where every trader that has a brokerage account wins, but every trader that trades on prop firms loses, you know? Like, it's the same probabilities and statistics across the board. With my strategy and what I do every day for you guys, it's my goal to help y'all get funded and get paid. Took the shorts, right?
Yeah, I took shorts. 636 is my entry.
Grizzly in shorts, 636 entry. It's his last trade.
I don't know if I'm missing something. I know something was like, no, I just don't see it.
Grizzly took shorts again. No trades for me.
I don't see that. See shorts.
I see nothing. The only reason I'd argue your shorts, and I don't like either, but is we're above the 50% retracement. That's sort of the only type of bullish thing I see. Being said, I don't have an opinion either way. I don't have any sort of bias either way. Whoops. I'm up fat on the day, guys. I'm up fat. A whole whopping $0.00. Would I take longs at the 50% retracement? No, probably not. I think ES arguably looks a little better for longs than NQ. We're at that 50% or 15-minute high, but not something I'm wanting to take right now.
Stop loss, I keep my 20-point stop loss from 636. Yeah, I'm gonna be done. I don't see it. The upside just keep waking up on me here.
We have FOMC tomorrow too, so
Yeah, it just don't make sense today. That's the option. The 3 to 5 MNQ, everyone, a 20-point stop should be just a paper cut for you. Keep that in mind. It's all about protecting your funded accounts. You can't be over positioning.
nope.
Funded accounts where you're gonna lose it. You're just wasting your money. Go donate that money or something. Trust me, I've wasted enough money myself. I can say that from experience.
I got about one more hour. I'm gonna trade till 9:30 Mountain Time today, so 11:30 Eastern Time.
Just rip down.
Let it die. What's your first trim gonna be like? 610 or something?
Around that 25,600.
Yeah, I was gonna say 600, 610. 1-to-1.
6 area, right around me. You're not careful in this trade, you can stop it out here. Little green. Get out of it and wait on the next.
This is your 1 hour almost in a reminder to choose DOD. Don't allow yourself to nuke off trades left and right. Don't allow yourself to oversize. Don't allow yourself to revenge trade or tilt trade or boredom trade. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. It's the only way this works long term for you. You carry that on into your daily life. You live a disciplined life. Your trading will more than likely become disciplined over time. You'll see more and more results over time. It's not too late, even if you broke it this morning. Turn the tide.
Waiting for another one.
And the mouse did the same. Oh, my goodness. Just staying patient, guys. No trades for me yet. Woosah. I want to go skiing. I wish we were getting done trading right now and going skiing. What? Tesla had a nice move up today. AMD had a decent recovery too. NVIDIA had nothing. I don't trade. LOL. I've seen this guy in here like 20 times. Bro says I don't trade, but they come in and they like to watch me. They like to come in and watch a trading stream to tell me I don't trade. That's some real brainiac material right there. That's top tier winning. I really haven't been watching gold lately. We need a tariff tweet. Tariff tweet right now. Let the market die.
And I need him to say specifically that him and China are having issues again. Right at break even here. If you all don't like it, spin out of it.
This price action is horrible.
It is, man.
I've only been live streaming for what? I think like 4 months, maybe even less. I mean, we have Team Bull. Team Bull have been trading live for years, and that's our paid stream. There's a lot of benefits to being in there, but I only introduced the free streams a few months ago. What up, Nitro? What's up, boy, bro?
656. My stop is. I'll be out for it.
I have made money every day last week watching you and choosing DOD. That's amazing. You can trade with me every day just by hitting that follow button in the top left corner. I recommend you go to YouTube though. I'm really trying to build that stream up. Everyone on YouTube, I appreciate y'all being here. We're gunning for the #1 live stream. Trade live both places. You get full screen share on YouTube. Passed my eval and got my first payout using DOD. Let's go. No trades for me yet, guys. Still no trades for your boy. I was positive. I had 2 winners yesterday. 1,100. 1,150 to be exact. On the live.
who actually closed with the DOD deal off there. First one we've had. 5 minutes. This is fine. Hopefully everyone hasn't quit already for the.
I got about 1 hour left of.
Just waiting for this accumulation here.
Friendly reminder, if you haven't taken a trade so far, it's fine. This is quite choppy and low volume PA. Survive to trade another day. Yep. What's probably going to do is just wait till everyone's like, all right, we're done. It's probably going to wait till I step away and then nuclear move. Come on. Give him a death candle. There you go. Let it die. 1 minute chart's looking good. Let's see if we can get some continuation in the 5 minute. Hey, Kev, don't talk to you about someone losing a trade. That's not what we do here. Even if someone is snotty or rude to you about a position, we don't root for other people to lose here. We're all on the same team, my boy. Trading's already hard enough. Oh, that's cool. Just, just chill. We're all on the same team here. We got positive aura. We are the positive aura stream. No, I'm not in any trades, guys. I'm in no trades. I'm in no trades. Guys, you must understand that I am a day trader, not a trade every day trader. So if I don't take a trade, I don't care. Like, I could not take a single trade today and it is what it is. Could take 3 trades today. And that's what it is, I don't fiend. I used to fiend to trade every day. I used to feel like, oh my gosh, I have to trade. Need to trade, but not anymore. Got out of the trade. Grizzly got out for a loss on that trade, everybody. That 5 minute volume's ticking up too. It may actually confirm the orb. May actually confirm. Let's see what the low here is. 30. And we, technically speaking, could, if we get a strong close here, we could watch for a pullback and try longs. If we get a strong close on this candle. I'm open to it. Only problem is that this wick is down at 30.
Anyone want to trade?
Nope. I'm looking at the longs though with this close. If you like something else though and you see it before, please don't hesitate to call it out. You do your deal. What's the high? 70.
Call it in the morning. I'm not risking another loss. I guess I'll see you all in the morning. If you can know it's FOMC, I'll be here.
All I haven't watched now is longs, guys. That's it. Only longs. All I haven't watched now is longs. I have no interest in shorts whatsoever until we get a break, probably below like 6. I should be below like 606. If you see shorts though, Greg, please, you can call out your trade. You trade a little different than I do, so do your deal.
We are projecting this level here again. Just watching this level to see what happens.
Let you guys know if I take anything.
Show guys. Shots.
Greg tried shorts.
Yeah, 3645.
I have not taken a single trade yet.
Stop losses at 65.
If we close that 5-minute candle like this with higher volume, I may agree, but until that happens, no shorts for me. You all right, Gene? Still have no trade. No trade. Not for me. %95 of traders do lose. That is a fact. It's something I talk about every day on stream. If we close this 5-minute candle up here, I'll likely try longs. So you guys are aware. If we get to a higher low wick and strong close, it's the only thing I have on watch. Just being really cautious about entering. Literally closed right at it. Still haven't entered anything. Still holding off. I still have not entered anything. Anyone who tells you trading is easy or that you should buy their course and you'll retire in the next 6 months or quit your job is cap. Stay far away from that. Those are things you will never hear from me. I've been doing this 9 years. I've seen a lot of good, a lot of bad. So I try to help you guys every single day in these streams. Trading is hard. It's very hard. It's extremely hard. What about people who say they turn 100 to a million? Yeah, I mean, you do your own judgment there. I like the longs. I can't get my full conviction. I do like the longs. I just don't have full conviction in what I see. My trader instinct is not giving me confirmation. Da, 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 da. Days like today are the days where prop firms love when you don't choose DOD. They love when you get chopped back and forth. I know this as I owned one. And I tell you, I need you guys to choose DOD and trade smart, trade safe. I don't want you guys giving more and more money to these firms. I want you becoming a liability with DOD. I want you guys to be the liability the firm sees. That you go in, you use code Jdun, and you say, they say, oh shit, bro's gonna come in and milk us. Bro's gonna come in and go for base hits and trade smart and trade safe and not YOLO.
Keep going. Thank you, it's Ryan at entry point. Go. Keep going.
I have not taken a trade today. No trades for me. No trades for me yet, guys. As a reminder, if you guys have any questions or if you want first access to my beginning of the year webinar I'm going to be running, I'm going to be hosting that webinar I told you about to get you guys ready for 2026. You can DM me and follow me on IG, Jdun Trades. It's in the works of planning it right now. You guys have been asking for it. I'm going to do it. It hasn't been formally announced yet, but if you're in the live streams, you know. Yep, Jdun Trades on IG. I still personally prefer the longs. I'm not in longs, but again, I'm a trend trader. So the trend right now is up. It's a choppy up, but it's up. Until that breaks, I don't have a short bias per se. Now, if we get some aggressive dump through here with higher volume, that changes things. The hell is this action? This is terrible. Terrible.
Stop out, guys. Stop out. Don't talk today. Don't talk today. See you tomorrow, guys.
This is, see you, man. I'm going to be around for an hour, about an hour more. See if we can't find ourselves a good entry. Even now, right, had we tried the longs at 655 or 650 even, call it, still wouldn't have gotten to a solid risk-reward trim spot. It's been a good DOD day, for sure. My fear, not even fear, that's not the right word. My worry is that we see solid confirmation and we try it. We get a liquidity sweep candle down, right? We get something like this that sweeps down and then rips back up. It stops us, which is what I'm trying to avoid. Guys, remember, cash is a position. Cash is a position, everybody. I stream every day. If you're on this YouTube stream and you want to make sure you catch every stream, make sure you click that bell icon next to my name, Jdun Trades, and click all. That'll turn your notifications on so you don't miss any live streams. I'm here every single morning. There's also a Facebook stream, but that stream is terrible. What's up, everybody on Facebook? I don't know why it doesn't push us to more people. There's that move up we were looking for. There's the move up we've been talking about, but just didn't give me enough risk reward earlier to try it. If we get a strong close here, I will watch for a pullback down and try it and see if we can target those pre-market high, which is up at 713. We got 40 seconds until this candle closes. Oh, yep. If we get a pullback down, I'm going to try longs, guys. We're getting some aggressive buying in. If we get a pullback down to like 660 area, these previous wick highs. I'd like to see a pullback into this like 50% retracement of this candle. Do we get it? Not sure, but that's what I'm watching for. Can I have like 66, 56, 40, I have like a 20, 25 point stop. Come on, pull it back to like 60. Not 70. Come on, a little lower. All right, let's see here. Hold on. Haven't added yet. I'm going to test a piece of longs down here at 60, guys. With stops below 645. So we have 18 points of risk. Tried the longs on here, low 60s. With stops at 645. Less risk on this, not full size. Less than 20 points of risk down here. Maybe 20 max. I like the 660 is the only area I'd like to catch this trend. But if we go below this this 15-minute breakout candle high, then I'll stop out for a loss. 645, my hard stops are in, guys. So if we go to 645, I will get stopped out, which may happen sooner than we'd expect. No, no, no! Wow, stopped out, guys. 18 points, stopped out. That is so fucked. I can't believe that. I swear, if it rips down only to stop me there, I mean, I lost like $400. It's fine. But so basically lost a third of yesterday's profit. What is this market, guys? What the hell is this? Wait for the trend. Move down. Now the only thing I'd see is if we close this candle strong, we get a test back up. We try shorts with stops above the highs, but I don't really trust that either. Well, 0 for 1. I really had confidence in that, but only 18 points, 18 to 20 points, which we'll take. That's why you keep your hard stops in and you follow them. Let's see. We have one more minute. If we have one more chance, if we close this candle strong, we can watch for a retest back up to the 15-minute high and take shorts with like a 25-point stop. If that would fail, then I'll be done for the day. That's the last move that I see. Is if we close this wick strong or this candle strong and test back up here, we can try shorts and try to push down. But that's the only other setup that I see. If we fail that, then I'll likely be done for the day. Even that I don't love. Like we're still in a series of higher lows. Higher low, we can see here we have set of higher lows, potentially set of higher lows. Please come. Wow. Watch this do some bullshit. Watch this do some bullshit here. I mean, there's just nothing you can do about that. If we sweep down and then, wow. I can't short this either, guys. Not with how strong we are here. Oh my gosh. Watch it go high a day now. Wow. Wow. Wow to the wow. That is diabolical. Are you seeing this? That is diabolical, bro. Foul AF. Literally swept down and then rip. And now we're going to go high a day to my price target. No re-entry for me, though. Yes, Brandon. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's been good. The 50K payout was nice. Yeah. What about you? Yeah. Goodbye, Brandon. Bro just called me to talk shit. That's it. Wow. I can't believe that happened. That was foul AF. Literally swept my stop. I mean, it was a valid stop by 10 points. And then, well, it didn't quite get to my price target, but it looks like it's going to. I can't believe that. I can't believe that. Unreal. No, the market makers aren't watching. It didn't happen to work out there. We're going to go to high a day. Watch. That's what's going to happen. Honestly, I stayed really patient for that entry. It just didn't work out. Just swept my stop there. So we'll see. Not going to force anything else. You win some, you lose some. It's easy to blame the market makers. All right, let's see here what else they give us. Dunno. I can't believe that. How foul. How foul. Just how it goes sometimes. I'm just happy I followed my plan. That's where I'm at in my trading career is if I follow my plan and if I keep my losses small, then I'm happy. When I stop following my plan, that's when things go sideways long term. So we'll see. See what the rest. You got about 35 more minutes. I'm going to stick around. It's going to go high a day, though. Watch. Uh-huh. Yep, there it is. There it is. Just go without me. Fly. fly, little birdie. Just go on. Move. Move far and wide. Yeah, just go up to 700. No, why don't you? Go without me. That's great. Just go on without me. Just move on up. Just fly like an eagle. Unreal. Unreal. I'm going to be posting a fire YouTube video today. You guys should definitely go watch. About to come up from broke to where we are today. If I ever punched a monitor screen, I have not. I've never punched a monitor screen. I did, however, put a hole in the wall years ago from a stock named Boeing. From a stock named Boeing. Ugh. How can I improve my strategy? I mean, it's not, I don't really care about improving my strategy. My strategy is great. I keep like a 70 to 80% win rate. I always just look to improve my discipline, improve my risk management, and improve myself as a trader every day. Like today, for example, there's nothing I would improve. I don't look at a bad trade, or a losing trade as a bad trade. Now, if I FOMO in and do something dumb, then that's not a good trade. That's what I get upset at. I just want to control my emotions every day. Good old Boeing days. I disagree. I love my entry in that last trade. It just happened to sweep down. Personally, I mean, that's just how, like, you could argue this. If the trade would have not swept out, it would have been like, oh, that's an amazing entry, right? You know, you can't just base a good entry off a win or a loss. You base it off of what your risk was. That's how I look at trading after 9 years anyway. Even like ES, right? We look at ES. If you would have taken the 15-minute high entry, you know, you would have been stopped out likely multiple times. Doesn't mean it's bad. Just means that it didn't work out. Yep, there we go. There we go. Just keep on moving without us. Just keep moving without us. Keep on just heading up. I'll be watching. I'll be cheering you on. There's the high day. This is what I wanted. This is the move I wanted to see. I got stopped right here. Unreal. Well, very real, but... Wow. Wow, wow. Well, I'm glad that my bias was correct. That makes me very happy. And I'm glad that I followed my plan. I'm certainly not chasing longs up here. Certainly not. Certainly am not chasing longs up here. No world in where I do that. Is what it is, baby. You get what you get. You don't throw a fit, right? Wow. We're going for 50, or we're going for pre-market highs next. That was my original price target. Was up here at like 715. It happens sometimes, guys. You take it and you do your best with what you can, and you move forward and keep managing risk for another day. It's not Pokemon. Can't catch them all. It's not Pokemon. Can't catch them all. Gonna look for another setup. Yeah, I have about 25 more minutes. I'm gonna stick around till 11:30 Eastern time. So we didn't quite sweep pre-market high yet. Asia high was 730. Let's see what they give us. As a reminder, guys, today is the last chance to get 40% off all-in funding for a daily payouts account for less than $100. You can use code Jdun on Tradeify for 40% off the select accounts. It's the last chance. They are $95 all in, no activation fee. No activation fees or anything. $95 all in for a 50K select account. No, I lost 400 in the live. So, I mean, it's fine. I'm annoyed, but... No, I'm not even really annoyed, actually. Let me take that back. I'm annoyed when I don't follow my plan. I guess it sucks trading live and not having a winning trade. I'm glad my bias was right. I wasn't trying to sit here and short on the way up. I executed great patience. I just didn't happen to make money. It just happens sometimes. I guess one could argue I could have had my stop a little lower at like 630, the original breakout. So that could be argued too. Would have came with an extra 20 points of risk. Don't know. Don't fit. Don't know. Am I going to trade anymore today? I might. We'll see. Let's see what else they give us. I'm not expecting anything. I come in with low expectations, and if they give me a move in these next 20 minutes, great. If not, then so be it. Nine a.m. I typically only trade the AM. Yep. What company has the all-in for $50? $95, and it's Tradeify. You can use code TBT on Tradeify or on Take Profit if you'd like TBT, but I prefer Tradeify. Their plan's better. 3-day eval versus 5-day. Overall, just a better plan. Oh, I took a trade today and did not win, but it was the right idea. I got stopped out right here, tried the longs up here, stopped here on this wick down, and then it ripped. So I had the right idea. Just, I guess, early entry, though I liked my entry. I would take that entry 100 times in a row. So a lot of times it'll work out. Maybe it could have waited a bit longer, I guess, in hindsight, but hindsight's always 20/20. You know? It's always easy to say, oh, well, I should have done this after the fact. Well, that wasn't what happened in real time, you know? All right, y'all. I just dropped that new YouTube video on why I still drive my Honda Accord as a Deca Millionaire. It's going to be uploading right now. I think a lot of you guys that are not where you want to be but want to make a change in 2026 will get a lot of value from it. It's only 7 minutes long. Yep, you guys should definitely go check that out. If you're on the YouTube channel, it's going to be right on this channel once it uploads. Commit 7 minutes to my new video today. I promise you guys, whenever you watch one of my YouTube videos, you will get value. That's a promise. That is a guarantee. What's up, dog? That entry annoyed me. All right, guys, that new video's up. After this live, go give it a watch. Jdun Trades, my most recent video. I need every single one of you guys who wants to live a better, richer, healthier, happier, more disciplined life in 2026 to go watch it. I need all y'all to go watch my new YouTube video today. It's 7 minutes long about why I still drive the Honda Accord, the humble Honda, after all the success. Jdun Trades on YouTube. Need all y'all to go give that a watch and a like if y'all love the humble Honda. I think less marketing will help the entries, but you clearly new here. What do I do every single day? I have like an 80% win rate. My entries are fine. Because you lose one trade doesn't mean your whole entry system is flawed. That's what people get messed up. Unless your guru says they have a 100% win rate. In that case, you have deeper issues than a mistrade. Now, hindsight's easy. Hindsight's easy to have. Oh, well, you should have done this, this, and this. Nespresso bag for Gene. Yup. And Christmas is coming up fast. Dude, this is exactly what I wanted to see up to 7:15. That is a spy ripper. That's okay. You know what I am going to journal for today is that looking back, I do like my entry, but I probably should have had my full 30 points of risk on, which would have put me right at that breakout candle low right here. So had I had my full set of risk on, then I would not have gotten stopped out. Entry was nice. Could have added a bit more risk on there. Again, looking back at journaling. That's what I will look at, and that's what I'll take it into tomorrow. I mean, I could get another trade today, but it's not super likely. Dude, who's calling me? Hello? Hello? I'm working. Now is a good time for you to choose discipline over dopamine. Trade smart, trade safe, and insurance is a scam. Goodbye. I had to let the insurance person know. I'm working. Oh, well, is now a good time to talk about a new insurance policy? No, it's not. I just said I was working. And health insurance is a racket. The ultimate level scam. You know what I'm about to get, though? I'm about to get a life insurance plan, whole life as an investment vehicle. I've been learning a lot about it. I used to think it was a scam, but there's actually some really good tax-free income benefits long term. If anyone has a differing opinion, I'm open to hearing it. But from what I've looked at and researched and done a lot of due diligence on, it's what a lot of really wealthy people use. You park money in there. After year 7, you break even, and you consistently get dividends that are tax-free. So you can't tax death benefit. You can borrow against it as well. Yep. You can borrow against it at like 5%. That's how Jim Harbaugh got paid. Or something like that. Yeah, make sure you overfund the policy to the max. That's what I've read. Infinite banking, yep. Can borrow against it, and you basically it's a long-term play. Like you can't, if you have money that you're going to want out in like 3 years, and it's probably not the move. But from what I've read and researched, if you're going to keep it for like 10 years, you can if you have a lot of money, you can set yourself up. Index fund policy, yep, you can set yourself up for life. That's what a lot of really wealthy people do. I'm glad you liked the Humble Honda video. Each of you guys should go watch it after this. Am I looking for any more long positions? Not really. I mean, I'd prefer long over short right now. Clearly, the trend's up. I've been looking at longs all morning, but Eugene, will you go unthaw some? Actually, I think we have some unthawed. Maybe
Some what?
some ground beef. We might have some in the fridge already. Never mind. We're good then. Jdun bull is going to be incoming. Yup. I eat ground beef every day. My GF says I eat like a dog. Well, there's a reason why if your dog eats good, dog stays skinny. I eat like a dog too. Ruff. Got that dog in me. Say I had that cat in me trading NQ. Sign up for life insurance using code JTOWN99. Yeah, I'm 29. Yep. I turned 30 in 6 months. You guys can start calling me Unk in 6 months. Until then, I will not accept Unk. Unk is 35. All right. Well, then 35. You guys have 5 years. You can start calling me Unk. I won't accept it any earlier. Unk. Hey, I appreciate y'all being here, TikTok. As a reminder, if you're new, I trade live every single day. All you need to do is hit that follow button in the top left corner. Hit that follow button and join me. Win, lose, or draw. I do it every single day. Hopefully you guys learned something today. My trade didn't work out. It did work out, but it stopped me before it worked out. But hopefully you guys learned something. My ultimate goal for you guys is to get so confident in yourself that you can do it on your own. You can trade without me. Why are we effed? I've been drinking a lot of water. I got to piss again. January 4th. That's close to my sister's birthday. My sister's birthday is in the middle of January, too. January babies. DOD is most definitely a life changer. If I make some DOD merch, will y'all cop it? Will We got Team Bull merch already. I wear Team Bull every day, but I think we need a little collab. DOD times TB. DOD times TB. I think we need it. That trade earlier was a banger. Yeah, the one that it was a banger. It just happened to stop me. Stop me. A 10-point run and then go. So the idea was great. But we live and we learn. I get better every day. Whether I win, lose, or draw, I get better every day. I follow my plan every day. You made 2,300. Nice. That's awesome. All right, Gene comes ahead, everybody. Again, I got to take a leak. Oh, no.
Ow. I got a cold still. I did. I took some this morning. Maybe.
What? What's up, dog?
Tyler asked if I still have to go to hot work.
Are we roommates?
Pretty much.
Gene's always watching reels.
Yeah, I'm watching a YouTube video right now.
Are you? Everyone should go watch the new YouTube video about the humble Honda. Why I kept the humble Honda from when I was broke to when I was currently not broke. It's almost been 2 hours. One red trade in the day. It was small, but still got a red trade in the day. Don't. Don't. You guys see that video of me throwing up? That was crazy. I found that I was like, oh, that'll do good for the video. I was down real bad. Down real bad. But I look back on those. I'm so glad that I recorded a lot of the life I was living when I wasn't in a great spot. I always recommend that to everybody. If you're not where you want to be, record everything. Document everything, because one day when you change your life, you're going to be glad that you have it. Dab master done. I did take a lot of dabs back in the day. That is true. That is very true. I did lots of things back in the day. I was a very naughty boy back in the day. All right, y'all, I'm about to get off. But if you guys want a dose of motivation, of DOD, of seeing what your life can look like when you choose DOD, go watch my new YouTube video. It's on the YouTube channel, Jdun Trades.